Alec Baldwin's trial over the fatal shooting of Rust cinematographer Halyna Hutchins is underway. Nearly 3 years ago in October 2021, while the Western film was being produced in New Mexico, Hutchins died after an incident on set. Baldwin was pointing a gun at Hutchins on the movie set outside Santa Fe, New Mexico, when the gun went off, tragically killing her and wounding director Joel Souza. The actor appeared at First Judicial District Court in Santa Fe, New Mexico, on Monday for a day of hearings on legal motions related to his trial, which is set to begin today, July 9. Baldwin had previously pleaded not guilty to involuntary manslaughter following the fatal shooting of cinematographer Halyna Hutchins on the set of Western film Rust in October 2021. Baldwin's case is taking place following the conviction of the movie's armorer, who was convicted for involuntary manslaughter, the same charge Baldwin faces. In April, weapons supervisor Hannah Gutierrez-Reed was found guilty for her role in the death and was sentenced to 18 months in jail. She is, however, appealing the sentence. But as Baldwin gets set to hear his fate, we look closer at the case he faces. What charge does Alec Baldwin face? Baldwin faces an involuntary manslaughter charge following the death of Hutchins on the movie set. If he is found guilty, he could face a maximum of 18 months in prison, the same sentence handed out to Rust's armorer, Gutierrez-Reed. How long will Baldwin's trial last? The trial is listed to take 9 working days. This means the case is expected to end on Friday, July 19. The judge for the trial, Judge Mary Marlowe Summer, has said she will be sure to keep lawyers in line and on schedule. The exact end date, however, can't be certain as once jurors are sent out to deliberate, they may take longer than the allotted time. This would mean the case overrunning the expected time period. What Rust armorer's conviction could mean for Baldwin. Gutierrez-Reed's guilty conviction of involuntary manslaughter after handing the actor live bullets before Hutchins' death could have an impact on Baldwin's case's outcome. Emily D. Baker, a legal analyst and former Los Angeles Deputy District Attorney, who hasn't been involved in the case, said that Baldwin's team could hope they will benefit from Gutierrez-Reed's ruling. According to Sky News, she said, "They're in the incredible position of getting to watch this prosecutor in action, see how this judge works, and come in knowing exactly what these experts are going to say and how they present to the jury. I don't think Baldwin's going to want to deal in this case, and I think his legal team will tell him this is a very different case than the case against Hannah." Baldwin's plea. The actor continues to deny he is to blame for Hutchins' death. He pleaded not guilty and insisted he was unaware his gun contained a live round. Baldwin has always maintained he pulled back the gun's hammer, but not the trigger, and that the weapon fired accidentally. In May, a judge denied a bid to throw out his criminal case, and lawyers who were acting for Starr said he looks forward to his day in court after the ruling. Witnesses on the day of the shooting, 12 people were inside the church. A number of these people are set to testify, as are several police, FBI investigators and firearms experts who examined the gun involved. While Gutierrez is listed as a potential witness, it's not yet known if she will take to the stand. Her lawyers have said she does not wish to incriminate herself ahead of her appeal of her own sentence. Also listed by the prosecution is Joel Souza, who was also wounded in the shooting. Others listed by the prosecution include Ross Adiego, a frontline crew member, and sound engineer Zach Sneesby. camera operator Reed Russell could also be called on, as could script supervisor Mamie Mitchell. Assistant Director and Safety Coordinator Dave Halls, who was also previously charged for the incident and received a suspended sentence of 6 months of probation following a no-contest plea after a misdemeanor charge of negligent use of a deadly weapon, may also be called. Halls is listed as a potential witness for the defense. Others the defense team may call on include crew members including Lucas Hussack,